कहीं आप ये 150 का डर्मा रोलर यूज तो नहीं कर रहे हैं? अगर कर रहे हैं, then this video is for you. Yes, derma roller can actually work and stimulate collagen production. They increase your skincare product absorption and potentially promote the hair growth also. ये आपकी स्किन के अंदर माइक्रोपोर्स क्रिएट करता है, जिसकी वजह से आपका कोलाजन स्टिमुलेट होता है. बट दे आर जनरली लेस इफेक्टिव देन प्रोफेशनल माइक्रो नीडलिंग, and to use it we need to be careful. How derma roller work? This create micro injuries. The small needles on the derma roller create tiny punches inside your skin and stimulates the body's collagen or natural healing process. इससे आपका स्किन टेक्सचर इंप्रूव होगा, आपकी स्किन फर्म होगी, एंड also this creates micro channels when you are using derma roller on your skin. So if you have applied any product over the skin, that will cause deep penetration or improved penetration absorption of your product. When you are using it for hair, in cases of scalp, the micro injuries can stimulate your hair follicles which are dormant right now, and that can increase your blood circulation and can create that environment for your hair growth also. This comes in different sizes. अगर आप 0.25 mm वाले यूज कर रहे हैं तो आपकी सेंसिटिव स्किन के लिए it is good. Also, when you are introducing derma roller in your skincare regime, that is good as a beginner. 0.5 mm can be used for acne marks, fine lines, enlarged pores. 1 mm can be used for acne pits, scars, and deep pigmentation spots. 1.5 mm can be used for traumatic acne, pits, scars, stretch marks, obesity lines, and last is 2.5 mm, which can be used for deep pits and deep scars. Most important thing you have to consider is the hygiene. That is very crucial. At home, if you are using derma rollers, they can get dirty and they can harbor bacteria also. So you need to disinfect this after every use. Professional treatment में हम longer needles use करते हैं, while जब आप घर पे use करते हैं तो उसमें needles shorter होती है. Overuse of derma rolling or using a damaged roller can lead to irreversible damage such as scarring of the skin or hair follicles. जब आप इसको घर पे यूज कर रहे हैं तो उसके रिजल्ट जो हैं वो ऑब्वियसली लिमिटेड होंगे. दे विल नॉट बी लाइक आपके प्रोफेशनल्स जैसे माइक्रो नीडलिंग करते हैं एट योर क्लिनिक. At last, you should consult a professional before using derma roller to ensure if it's right for you or to learn safe techniques.